Okay, good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you how you need to make a PDF file. Okay, all you have to do is there would be a app in Play Store. Look for this app, Adobe Scan. Okay, PDF Scanner and OCR. This is a safe app that you can download and install on your mobile. Okay, Adobe Scan. Okay, PDF scanner. Okay, what you need to do is just since I've already installed, it is asking me to, it is giving me two options: uninstall and open. So all you have to do is, since I've already installed, I'm not going to uninstall, I'm going to open. So when I click on open, okay, I am currently using this app, so I'm telling you. So this is the interface that you get. Okay, so for scanning it is quite simple. I've got this book with me. All I have to do is I just have to auto select it. It will just take. Okay, now it has taken a snap by itself. What I can do is I can adjust. Okay, with my finger I'm just adjusting on the page. Okay, and then I can press continue. See, you can see the continue here button. So the scan is done. Okay, the scan is done. It is here just below. Okay, you can see that blue thing. So again it is looking for another page. It is taken by itself. If you do not want to take, there is option called retake and continue. You can see. So just take retake, and then you can go for another page. It will automatically take. You just have to press steady, hold. Okay, and then, so if you want to adjust like before, you will adjust. Okay, you will adjust, and then you will click on continue. So there are two pages that I have scanned. So all you have to do is, now if you do not want to continue, you just look at the bottom right. You will find two pages scanned. So just press it over here. Okay, you will see the first page that I scanned, and you will see the second page that I scanned. Yes, these are old ones. These two I have taken. So all I have to do, okay, is if you want to crop, again if you want to make some adjustments, there is at the bottom, you'll see, you'll find crop. You can adjust more if you want. For example, I don't want these things. I'll say right. At the top right you'll find there's a right button. So I have adjusted this. It is taking some time, so it has adjusted. This one also I want to adjust. At the bottom one you'll find crop. You'll just crop, and then you press right. Okay, so I have two pages that I have scanned. Okay, uh, you can rename it over here. When you can see scan 30 September 20, it is giving today's date, and it is telling me, by default it is telling me to save it here. What I can do is I can also rename it. When there's a pencil icon here, just press it over here and then write. You can write geography scan, for example, if I want to write. Okay, and then press OK. So the name has been changed to geography scan, and there is an option called save PDF at the top right. So just press save PDF, and then it is saved. So these are my previous scan that I have done, and this is the scan that I did just now. So this is the thing. This is the first page and the second page, right? So what I also can do is, for example, you want to share this particular file, okay, to your friend via WhatsApp or somewhere. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this, as it is highlighted. This particular uh, file is highlighted. Okay, this thing, this picture is highlighted, this Adobe Scan is highlighted, and then there's a share option here, three dots. Can you see? Just press here. This, and now I get three options. I can share the link, I can send an email, and I can also share a copy. So what option? If you are sending in WhatsApp, then it would be share a copy at the third option. Now it's saying how I'll share. There are different options. Whatever app I have installed, it is giving me. So my option, easy option, will be WhatsApp. And then if I have to send it to anyone, for example, if I have to send it to maybe uh, I'll share a personal number that I'm sharing. Maybe I have to send it, I'll send it to my mom, so I'll send it like this, and this is done. So this is sent. So the other person receiving will also get this scan copy like this, and then just press it over here, they will have to do this is the other person, okay, who is receiving. How they will do, they will have to download it first, and then it will give option, okay, for the other person to open. Then you need to have either Adobe Acrobat or PDF file reader, though those two apps can open, okay. So I'm going for Adobe Acrobat. I have this is a free app, by the way, Adobe Acrobat. See, this is the app, this is the PDF scan, PDF copy. So this is how you need to scan, okay, and send it to your friends, yes, family members. For any important things, you can all do these things, okay. Thank you.